Oh, go down na. Take the elevator. Right, David? She wants to do it again daw eh. Tomorrow, okay?
No. Huh? I want to do it again.
Yay! Josiah, wave at me. Ayaw.
Nag-tense pa.
I don't want to take away the book.
Ano, babalik din yun? Chris? Chris? Babalik din yun? Chris? Hello? Babalik, pwede bumalik din ulit?
I think
Chris? Babayad ulit, pabalik?
no more.
No more? Okay.
Yeah, they'll rappel down.
Ay, still on pala.
Walang bumababa eh. Di ba kaantay ng assistant?
Mommy, I want to go back here.
Patay ka dyan. To the room na. Let's go.
Wait
na.
lang.
Wait for them, okay?
We have to wait for
Are you
the girl.
hungry? You hungry? No?